Dímelo, chico. Say what's up to the camera. There we go. Let's go back together.
It's fucking a lot.
So the males still have the felt on their horns, which allows the horns to grow, and then that rubs off, and at the end they have a rut where they fight each other for access to the females. So lean a little calf.
Hey, Gavin, that's whatever your cow was.
That's my brother.
Gavin, what's the cow that Alex had?
Yep.
That was a woofus.
Right,
No.
see, baby?
Like a little bear.
No. What's the one that Alex
So
Escalera
over there
had?
behind
The name of
his
it.
mother there. Look.
I know.